children, how are you? Today we are going to learn first theory of chapter number 9, physics part 2, the relation between focal length and radius of curvature. This question was asked in March 25, 2 mark, but in that paper they asked for the convex mirror. So here in our textbook there are two figures, concave and for convex, and the proof is only for one. So here we practice for both the figure and again prove the relation between them. Let's start. Derive the relation between focal length and radius of curvature for concave, convex. March 25, 2 mark. So first we practice for the figure, and that is the very much important for this chapter. Let's for concave. Small aperture M N. Midpoint of aperture, that is pole. This is principal axis. First of all we draw the incident ray, that is parallel to principal axis. Incident ray. So as we know that when the incident ray is parallel to principal axis, the reflected ray passing through the principal focus, a normal drawn to the surface which is intersect at a point C, which is known as center of curvature. Now the distance between pole and center of curvature is radius of curvature. The distance between pole and principal focus, that is focal length. Incident angle, reflected angle, and F is the exterior angle, therefore 2 theta. There are must compulsory to draw arrow. Now we draw for convex. M N, midpoint pole, principal axis, incident ray, which is diverge, and if we expand in back direction, that intersect at a point F, which is focal length, and normal drawn to the surface which intersect at a point C is known as center of curvature. The distance between pole and center of curvature, that is R. A theta theta, exterior angle 2 theta. So let's we start. Here in triangle ACP, sin theta equal to tan theta equal to theta. Chalo, tan theta opposite upon adjacent. Now put the value of CP are equation number 1. Now in triangle AFP, sin 2 theta, tan 2 theta, 2 theta, opposite adjacent PF. Make the subject theta, so AP 2. What is the value of PF? Small f. Compare the equation number 1 and 2. AP cut. So R equal to 2F. Therefore F equal to R by 2. That is the relation between focal length and radius of curvature. So important MCQ. For plane mirror, focal length infinity, radius of curvature infinite, so power 1 upon f, 1 upon infinity, that is 0. This MCQ asked in board exam. So write the theory properly. Best of luck. Hari Om.